Okay, here is my truck, GMC Sierra 2006 Duramax. It's 20 feet long. It's a long cab, crew cab with 6.5-foot bed. It's a 20 feet long truck. I want to make sure I have a long camera for a rear, the longest I can get. This one is the Street Guardian. It comes the waterproof that comes with this 6 meter wire, which left me with about 1.5 foot left, so I barely made it. So anyhow, I installed it in here, put it enough so when I open the tailgate it doesn't hit the camera. Hit it a little bit underneath, but still, as you can see, it was raining tonight. It gets rain on, and sometimes it's not the best spot. Maybe I could put it in the back there, but I need to make sure I can see the hitch. I wanted to use it for when I tow, so I can back up easier. But anyhow, I run it over there. It's hard to see now. The connection that comes from the truck to the 1 meter of the cable that comes with the camera, I put it together in here. I was doing it before. I ran it around the tank, above the tank, but then I realized I couldn't use the lighter to use the heat shrink, so that was not the greatest. So I ran it differently. I ran it on top of the main chassis over there and hook it up together over here. So it's running on top, on top of the thing, and then it came out. There is this rubber seal over here under the carpet, there where I made the hole and run it through. I removed this plastic, one plastic, another plastic here. It's running behind it up there through the hole up there through the wire loom, 1/4 inch wire loom. I removed this. I can show you. Wire is right there. It's running through wire loom all the way up. I just grab it one hand through, another one hand on the top, and pull it out easier. And then I popped out this guy and run it inside of it through the wire loom, and then I just have it up here. I'll use those tops that comes with the camera. I can zoom it, and it doesn't want to zoom because it's anyhow. It's running up here. I used 3 of those tops and put it on in here. The reason why I put it here is so it's closest to the middle, and I can get the SIM card out easy, which I rather do than unplug all the cables and remove the camera itself. So I put it in here. It's away from the mirror. It's as high as possible. Put all the wires up there. I can still unplug it easier. Then I run a GPS over there. It's hidden behind this black thing. So this is where I put it. I could run it on the other side, but I just rather have it here, not too many wires. Okay, so that's how I did it. And then I run a wire for the cigarette lighter, for the lighter power. I run it underneath, and then in here, as you can see, in there I popped out this thing pretty easily and run it inside with the wire up here. Okay, that's how it looks like. Front, rear, there you can see, I don't know if you can see, but you can see the hitch ball over there. And I have an angle proper angle. I have the polarized filter on it. It's not sunny or anything, but I have it there so I don't have to worry about it. Alright, GMC Sierra 2500 HD installation of Street Guardian.